This is a walkthrough for the Blogger app that is built using Power Apps. The Blogger app is used if a company would like to maintain a system for reviewing and approving blog articles and ideas for their blog post or their website. So we have logged in first from an employee, the person who writes the blog, from their ID. So when he runs the Blogger app, so he would see a dashboard with all the blogs that he has probably written till now, or which are in process of either reviewing by their tech lead or their SEO or CEO. If you click on the blog ideas, this shows a list of blogs that he has created till date and what is their current status, when it was created, and what was the title and which technology. So this gives you an idea. If you want to see any details for any particular blogs, you just click on that arrow there and it will open up the details for that blog. And if you want to edit it, you can click on edit or go back. You can also filter it by published, pending or rejected, which will show you the relevant blogs. Now you can choose the hierarchy or the flow of the app. How we have structured it is that once the employee submits an idea for review, it goes to the tech lead, who after reviewing it will, if he approves it, it will move to the SEO, and if the SEO reviews it and approves it, it goes to the CEO, and also after the CEO it goes back to the SEO to publish. So we have developed an app which has filters and search also. So now let's create a new request. So when you click on the plus for the new, you can select the technology, the title, put in a description, what is relevant to the blog that you're writing. So in our case, today we would just create an example of introduction to AI Builder. So that's the title that we are giving our blog idea. And we've copied the same text for description. Otherwise, you can put whatever description that you feel is suitable. If you would like to attach a file, you can do so by clicking the attach file and attaching a Word document or a PDF or whatever you want to attach it to. Or you can put a URL to the document. Once you have submitted it, you just click on the refresh button. It will take a few seconds to update. And at the bottom of the page, you see it will be updated from requested by user to sent to tech lead eventually once the system is updated. Sometimes it takes a few seconds, sometimes probably just about a minute. So it will happen now. Once it is updated, it will change the status to send to tech lead. In the meantime, I'll just show you how, if you want to delete a particular request, you just open the details page and then click on delete. Here, click on yes if you want to delete it, or if you've clicked by mistake, just click on no. Go back to the list and let's try once more. There. It's updated to send to tech lead. So now we will check the tech lead's system to see if the article has arrived at his end for review. So here we have logged in the tech lead. So again, he would see a similar dashboard with a list of blog articles or ideas that are sent to him for review, or the ones that he has already reviewed and approved or rejected and sent ahead for publishing or for further review. So we will run the app and see how his system would function. So here, as I said, we will have a similar dashboard with charts for him to understand what's the status for the various blogs and which stage they are at. You click on blog idea similarly, and again you have filters and search to help you identify the right blog idea immediately. So this is the one that we created today. You can go to the details page and imagine he has reviewed the article and he finds it suitable, so he will put in his comments over here and pass it ahead in the approval process. So here he's putting his comment that it's a well written blog, and then once done, just click on approve. You get a notification that blog approved successfully. Now you go back to the list of the blogs and the status will be updated to send to SEO. So now we go to the SEO system and just see how he would approve it and take this forward. So here we have logged in from the SEO's user ID, and again he will open the blog publisher app. Once the app opens, you will see that his app also will have a similar dashboard on the status of the various ideas, but the sidebar will have some more features as well. So today we will focus on a couple of them. First is the blog ideas, similar to the others. This will show the list of blogs that are sent to him for approval. So this is the one that we have created today, and it's come to him for approval now. So he will click on view details and he will check the comments, and he will review it, and if he finds it suitable, he will put in his own comments for approval and then send it ahead. So here we put in this is acceptable and you click on approve. Now in the next step of our approval process, this blog will go to the SEO for final approval. So here now once we go to the approved blogs, it will show that it is approved by SEO, but the publish button is disabled right now because it's still pending approval from the CEO who is in the final stage. So now we will go to the CEO's system and approve it from there as well. So now we are logged in from the CEO, and he will open the blog approver app. There. So there's a similar dashboard that greets him as well. Go to the blog ideas section, and here again you have filters and search. You see the one that we created today, it's marked as sent to CEO in the status. Click on the details. He will check the comments that has been provided, and he will put his own comments if he is satisfied. Here we are putting ready to publish, and then he'll click on approve. You get a notification that it is ready, and there the status has been changed after a refresh, so it's ready to publish. So now we go back again to our SEO system to publish the blog. Okay, so now we refresh the page, and the status will change. It will take a couple of seconds to load the system. There. This dashboard is updated. So we go to the blog ideas section and we scroll down to the blog to check the status what is showing over there. We just clear out the filters. Now we go to the approved blogs. It shows the blogs that are ready to publish or have already been published. Click on refresh and there you have it. It's loading the list of blogs that are there. So here we are. You see the publish button has been activated now because we have approval from the CEO to go ahead and publish it. So you click on the publish button. And then it will ask you for a final confirmation. You review the title, the description. If you want to make any changes to the description, you can do so. And you just scroll down and you click on share. And the blog is published. Thank you.